Well, hello everyone. Today is going to be my first cleaning video in our new home. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa, and lately my channel has been a whole bunch of moving and packing and all these types of videos, but now we are finally in not our new house, but we are actually renting this house. So yeah. This is going to be just the kitchen this time around because I kind of wanted to introduce the house slowly. I will be coming out with a house tour very soon, but this is just going to be the kitchen. So if you would like to see how I clean the kitchen, then go ahead and keep on watching. So first things first, if you guys have not seen my recent video, I explained why we moved and kind of all the stuff that was going on in this house. So I will link that down below so you guys can watch it and kind of catch up on everything. It was more just the people who were living here before were family members and they did some not so good things in this house. And this house is actually like my family's vacation home. My grandma owns this place. So right now, I'm coming in and cleaning as much as I can. So you are going to see me disinfect a whole lot. I don't trust the people that were living here before. And you know, for me, if I live in a place that's new, I have to clean it myself. Like I need to feel like I'm the one who cleaned it. Plus, it's different when it's somebody else's filth and not yours. So this time around, I am deep cleaning the entire house. But the kitchen, I know that a lot of people, you know, with food and dishes and things like that, I know some people aren't as clean as in other areas and stuff like that. So what I'm doing is I am disinfecting this entire thing. And I mean, when I walked in here, there was so much. It was all sticky. She had stuff all over. I mean, all over. The white cabinets. I just had to disinfect everything. And then right here, you're going to be seeing me do all the stainless steel twice because the only thing I was able to find in the house was like these stainless steel wipes, and they came out kind of like cloudy. I was going to say shadowy, but it's not shadowy. But they came out a little cloudy, and I wasn't a fan of them, so I ran up to the store and actually got stainless steel spray. I noticed that my camera angles are a little bit off. Like I said, this is a new kitchen, so I have to kind of get used to it. So I apologize if at some point it doesn't seem like you can see everything. I'm still trying to get used to the angles in this house. And at this point, I actually had a lot of energy right here, but towards the end of the video, I was so tired. You'll see in my upcoming ones, I've actually been cleaning for about, I want to say like 5 days straight, and I have just lost momentum. Each day has gotten harder and harder, and it's like I know I have to clean it, but the kitchen was the biggest one. I know that, like, you know, it's only like an 11-minute video, but this took me hours to clean. I really wish that when we cleaned, or when we show the cleaning videos that go super fast, I wish that's how it was in real life. if I sound a little bit funny in this voiceover, it's because I'm doing a voiceover in the car because I don't like my husband to listen to me voicing over my videos. So yeah, I'm sitting in the car doing a voiceover right now. So if I sound like I'm distant, it's because the car is echoing on me. So my apologies. When he goes to work, I promise I'll sound normal again because I'll actually be recording inside the house. I'm absolutely in love with this new sink. If you watch some of my old cleaning videos at our old house, it was on the older side, but this one is absolutely amazing. I love how deep it is, and there's like this little nozzle thing that sprays, and I don't have to try to just like splash the water on the parts that I've cleaned. I can just pull the hose just like that and just clean. Oh, I love it so much. Now, something that I'm new to is granite top counters. I found these couple of sprays. These are my grandma's sprays because the girl before didn't clean. But these are like countertop granite sprays. So I was wondering, what do you guys recommend for granite countertops? Because I've never actually had them before, so I don't really understand how to clean them because some of the stuff that I just used, it made it look a little cloudy. So I don't know if that's just because this is old, because like I said, no one really comes here. It's more like a vacation home. 95% of the time, people do not live here. But yeah, if you guys have any tips or tricks or anything on granite countertops, please, please, please let me know in the comments. I would love some advice and some help. And yes, you are going to be seeing me clean a lot of the same surfaces. Like, I'm pretty sure that I've wiped down these countertops like 4 times. And it's just because I found other products to help shine and clean and disinfect. And I don't know what I'm dealing with when we came in here because, like I said, the people who lived here before and their family. But the things that they were doing in here, I don't know what was done, and I don't know what exactly I need to do. So I just like triple, quadruple checked and cleaned everything. So if that's why you keep seeing me go over the same spots, it's because I am. So here is when I went down to the store and I actually bought a spray for the stainless steel, and I like this way, way better. Another thing, if you guys have advice on stainless steel, once again, nope, I've never worked with stainless steel before. So if you guys have any advice on it, or you know, a certain product that you guys like to use to clean it, please let me know down below. I would love to know what you guys use. And right here, before I get any bad comments about why I am throwing away food, like I said, if you guys have watched my recent video, you'll understand and know kind of who was living here before, and they left a bunch of food here. And I know that they were very, very angry about being kind of kicked out. So I don't know why they left certain food here, and I don't trust it. So I just threw everything out. I'm not trying to waste food. I wouldn't waste food, but the reason why I'm throwing it out is because I just don't know what they did to it, and I don't want to test it because I know that they were very, very angry, and these are not good people. So please don't rip me apart in the comments. I promise I'm not trying to waste food. I just don't trust it. And we are just going to put our own food in there and just, I mean, there wasn't a lot left anyways. So hopefully it didn't go too much to waste because it was all like half eaten and half done anyways. And this is the coolest little vacuum I've ever seen. I didn't bring like our actual vacuum that you see in all my other videos because we didn't have enough room in the car. But I love this little vacuum. It's the coolest thing, and I'm able to just kind of vacuum everything up. I've been wanting a cordless vacuum, and even though this isn't cordless, I love how small it is, and it's a champ. So I don't know what it is. I'll leave it in the comments if you guys want to see it, but that vacuum is amazing. And then you're gonna see me disinfect the floors, and then I'm gonna go over it again with a wood cleaner. So if you see me going over the floors a bunch of times, it's because I'm disinfecting, and then I'm also doing a wood cleaner because unlike our house, this house has actual wood, so it gets very scuffed up very quick, and that has been irritating me. So you'll see me go over it kind of a couple of times. And that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe if you guys haven't already. And I will be seeing you very, very soon in all of my new house cleaning videos that are going to be coming up very soon. So stay tuned for that, and thank you guys for watching.